What's up, YouTube? Thank you guys so much for clicking on my channel. Taylor Beauty had to take a little break. This is Hot Girl Tay. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep watching.
No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah. Handle me. Who gon' handle me?
Alright, using that shade in a James Charles palette, I'm going to be packing it onto the outer corner of my lid. And just a disclaimer, if you guys hear beeping in the background, I do apologize. That is my smoke detector telling me that I need to change the battery. And now I'm just doing the same thing to the other eye. And now with that big fluffy brush, I'm blending that orange shade out just a little bit. Alright, so now I want to add a little bit more definition to my eyeshadow. So I'm using that really deep burgundy color, adding it just below the shade that I already placed down. And as you can see, I'm really focusing that shade on the outer corner of my eye, slowly dragging into the inner corner. Right, going back to the James Charles palette, I used that orange shade just up top to blend everything out, and I also focused that shade on the outer corner of my eye, and I drag it in just a little bit to the inner corner. Also, you can see me tapping in the eyeshadow more than sweeping it across my eyelids. I don't know where I picked that technique up from, but I feel like it helps blend the eyeshadow out a little bit more. All I did was wing it out a little bit once I finished cutting it. Now you can see me putting on my lashes from Minked Up in the style Hustle. Now I'm using my Benefits Professional primer, and I'm tapping it in with a beauty blender. And using my foundation and Cocoa, I am about to tap it in with a beauty blender as well. I also went in with my Morphe foundation brush just to buff it in a little bit more. Now to highlight, I'm using my Colourpop concealer, which I am extremely in love with. It's so creamy, easy to blend out, full coverage. So this has been my go-to concealer for a while. Now to blend out my under eye concealer, I am using a Real Techniques brush. The only reason I use a brush on this part is because I feel like I can get into the crease and crevices of my eye a little bit better than I can with the beauty blender. Now I'm going back to my beauty blender. I'm going to blend out everything else, including my foundation and concealer, just to mix it all together and make sure that there's no harsh lines and everything's seamless. All I'm doing now is setting my under eyes with the Maybelline, I believe it's the Fit Me Loose Powder. And while my face sets a little bit, I am going to go in with my all-time favorite Fenty Beauty bronzer to bronze up my face a little bit. Alright, now I'm carving out my cheeks, and I don't let that sit at all. As soon as I put it on, I go in with a brush and wipe it right off. Alright, now all I'm doing is tapping on a little blush and lining my eyes with a black liner. And I'm about to finish up my eye look, going in with that deep red shade. I'm going to pack that color on underneath my eyes. I don't know why I didn't show the color, but now I'm going in with a orange shade and just buffing out that shade that I got from the Jaclyn palette. Now all I'm doing is highlighting with my Becca highlighter. And now it's time to set my face. First, I went in with the Rose Water from Badescu. Now I'm going in with my Morphe setting spray. And since this is a hot girl summer inspired video, I went in with a red lip. Went out my comfort zone a little bit because usually all I do is nudes, but I feel like the red lip really made this lip pop, so I'm glad I decided to use it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. That is basically my hot girl summer inspired look. See you guys in the next video.